To write a paragraph, start with a topic sentence that tells what your paragraph is about. Then, add sentences that give details or explain your main idea. When you start writing, pick a topic you like or know well. Think about things that interest you, like your favorite sport or a fun holiday trip. Now that we have our main idea, let's add more details to make it interesting. Remember, each supporting sentence should tell us something new about the topic. When you have lots of ideas, organize them like building blocks. Put the biggest ones first, then stack the smaller ones on top to make your thoughts clear. Now let's practice writing a paragraph about your favorite animal. Think about what makes this animal special and why you like it so much. Today, we learn how to write simple paragraphs by putting our thoughts into clear and organized sentences. First, pick a topic you know well and think of 3 ideas about that topic.